Welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I give you information about Unani and natural medicine. And the topic of the video is turmeric. Turmeric is used for weight loss, acne, arthritis, indigestion, coughing, and for many other health problems. Not only traditional medicine systems like Unani, Ayurveda, and Chinese traditional medicine, but modern science also recognize turmeric abilities to treat various health problems. In this video, I will tell you in detail about this magical spice. I will tell you what is turmeric, what properties and benefits turmeric have, how it is used for weight loss, acne, skin cleansing, coughing, healing wounds and injuries, arthritis, hepatitis, detoxification, and increasing immunity and strength. What are its possible side effects, what is the recommended dosage, and much more. So please watch this video till end. Viewers, I am a certified Unani medicine practitioner and I am treating patients with Unani and natural medicine from last 20 years. Aim of this video and channel is to share my knowledge and experience with you. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you can watch all my videos in time. Now let's come to the point. First of all, what is turmeric? Turmeric is a famous spice mostly used in Asian cuisine for flavor and color. It is a root of a plant Curcuma longa, commonly known as turmeric plant of the ginger family Zingiberraceae. Turmeric has a warm, bitter, black pepper-like flavor and it smells like mustard. Yellow pigment in turmeric called curcumin. Curcumin have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it's better to use it with black pepper for curcumin to absorb in body. What are the properties and benefits of turmeric? Turmeric have following properties according to Unani medicine. It is expectorant, means it promotes the secretion of sputum by the air passages used to treat coughs. It unclogs or clears the arteries. It heals and dries wounds or injuries and work as a cleanser if used topically or externally. It is anthelmintic, means it expels parasitic worms of the body. It is anti-inflammatory. It is used for detoxification. It helps to lose weight by improving metabolism. Now, how to use turmeric? Turmeric can be used for many health problems. I'm sharing few of them. For weight loss, coughing, indigestion, and arthritis, use turmeric tea. To make turmeric tea, you need water 300 ml, turmeric grated or ground 2 grams, half teaspoon, black pepper ground 1 gram, quarter teaspoon, ginger grated 2 grams, half teaspoon. If you are using for coughing, add honey 1 tablespoon too. Start boiling the water, add all ingredients in it. When it is boiled, let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now strain the tea and take it. Take this tea thrice a day after half an hour of meal for 2 weeks at least. You will be amazed by the results. For acne and skin cleansing, use turmeric face mask. Before you make this mask, prepare yourself for it. It can be very messy and can make stains. So use old cloth, towel and gloves. Now let's see what you need for it. Ground turmeric 2 teaspoons, chickpeas flour also known as besan, you can find it at any Indian store, 1 teaspoon, honey half teaspoon, milk 2 teaspoons. If you have dry skin, you can use almond oil 2 teaspoons instead of milk. Mix all the ingredients well and make a paste. Apply it on the face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. Now wash it. You can use any good face wash to remove the yellow stains if they left. Use this mask thrice a week. For increasing immunity and body strength, use turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Ingredients are milk half cup 120 ml, ground turmeric 1 teaspoon, fresh ginger 1 small piece grated or half teaspoon of ground ginger, ground black pepper 1 pinch, honey 1 teaspoon if you like, it's optional. Mix all the ingredients and boil it. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the milk and drink it. It's better to have it at night before going to sleep. For wounds and internal injuries, you can use turmeric topically or externally. For wound, sprinkle ground turmeric on it after cleaning the wound. It will help wound to dry. For internal injuries like bruises and sprain, mix ground turmeric in olive oil and make a paste. Apply that paste on affected area and bandage it. For detoxification and inflammatory diseases like hepatitis and arthritis, you can use following remedy. Ingredients are water 300 ml, turmeric grated or ground half teaspoon, black pepper ground 1/4 teaspoon, ginger grated half teaspoon. You can add honey 1 tablespoon too, it's optional. Add all ingredients in a pan at morning and leave it till night. Now boil it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Before going to sleep, strain it and drink it. Side effects. Turmeric have some side effects too. Hurt. According to Unani medicine scholars, overdose and regular use of turmeric can make hurt weak. So be careful with dosage of turmeric. Pregnancy, breastfeeding and infertility. Those women who are pregnant or breastfeeding or having infertility problems should avoid using turmeric. You can use it, add it in food if quantity is low. Gallstones. Turmeric helps to prevent from gallstones. But if you already have gallstones or any obstruction in bile duct, don't use turmeric. It will increase your problem. Blood clotting slow down. Turmeric have anticoagulant properties, means it slow down the blood clotting process. So if you have any bleeding disorder or preparing for surgery in near future, don't use turmeric. Low glucose and cholesterol. Turmeric is good for diabetic or a person with high cholesterol. That's why if you have issues like low glucose or cholesterol or using any medication to control these problems, take turmeric cautiously. Stomach problems. Turmeric is good for digestion, but for some people turmeric may upset stomach. If you have any problem like this, stop using it. Low iron. Turmeric might prevent the absorption of iron, so if you have iron deficiency, use it cautiously. Now antidote of turmeric. For heart problem, use it with bitter orange, also known as marmalade orange. Dosage. Dosage of turmeric is 1 to 3 grams depending on the age and the physical condition of the person. Alternative. Turmeric is easily available spice, but if you can't find it, you can use madder, also known as Indian madder, for inflammatory problems like arthritis and hepatitis. Temperament or Mizaaj. According to Unani scholars, temperament of turmeric is hot at level 3 and dry at level 3. Lastly, various names of turmeric. In English, we all know turmeric. In Urdu and Hindi, is haldi. In Arabic, aruq safar. In Persian or Farsi, zakchob. And in Chinese, jiang huang. Now tell me in comments which use of turmeric you like most. If you want to know what modern science tells us about turmeric, or you want this video information in text form, visit my blog. Link is in the description. Hope you like the video, so please subscribe my channel, like the video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks and salam.